morning children. Yesterday we had to learn associative property. Now we have to learn distributive property over addition. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Here we have to take some values of A, B, C. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 3. A value is 1, B value is 2, C value is 3. 1 into 2 plus 3 is equal to A value is 1 into B value is 2 plus A value is 1, C value is 3. Here 1 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 1 2 is 2 plus 1 into 3. 1 3 is 3. 1 5 is 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. LHS is equal to RHS. This distributive property over addition is satisfied. Now multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity is 1. Additive identity is 0. Multiplicative identity is 1. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. 2 into 1 is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 2 is 2. Next, multiplication by 0. Multiplication by 0. A into 0 is equal to 0 into A is equal to 0. Here we have to take A value is 3. 3 into 0 is equal to 0 into 3 is equal to 0. These are the properties over multiplication. Over the multiplication. Now we have to see that exercise 5 exam sums. According to these properties, we have to apply in this exercise 5. First sum, exercise 5. Verify the following. Exercise 5, page number 19. Open your maths textbooks and CWs. Be ready. Write the questions also in your CWs. Exercise 5. Verify the following. First Roman. Verify the following. First sub question. 18 into 7. 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. See here, this is the sum. Which property is this, children? This is the distributive property over addition. Distributive property over addition. I am writing the formula. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This is the which property, children? Distributive property over addition. Now we have to check this LHS is equal to RHS. This property is satisfied or not? We have to see now. Now A value 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. 18 into 7 plus into minus 7 minus 3. 18 sevens are 8 sevens are 56. 5 carry 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 5 12 plus 3 8s are 24. 2 carry 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 5 plus into minus 18 into 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 126 minus 54. 18 4s are 4 8s are 32. 3 carry 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 3 7 is equal to 126 minus 54. 6 minus 4 2. 12 minus 5 7. 72 is equal to 72. This property is satisfied. This LHS is equal to RHS is satisfied. Now second sum is the second sub question you will do at home. That is the homework for you. Okay, once again I am explaining this sum. Listen carefully, children. 18 into 7 plus of minus 3 is equal to 18 into 7 plus 18 into minus 3. This is the which property is this? Distributive property over addition. This is the general form of distributive property over addition. A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. What is the A value? 18. B value 7. C value minus 3. 7 plus of minus 3. Plus into minus 3. 18 into 7 minus 3. 18 into 18 sevens are 126. 18 threes are 54. Plus into minus 54. Next, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. 18 sevens, 84 are 72. 126 minus 54. 126 minus 54 is equal to 72. This property is satisfied. Now second question you will, second sum you will do at home. Now second Roman. Now for any integer a, what is minus 1 into a equal to? Second question, second sub question, second Roman. Here for any integer a minus 1 into a is equal to minus 1 into a is equal to a, minus into plus minus. This is the answer. Here for any integer you will take any integer, that is no problem, that is only a. Here they have to take a. Minus 1 into a, minus 1 into a is equal to a. We have to take one example, any value they have to set down. Here minus 1 into 6, minus 1 into 6 is equal to 1 6 6, minus into plus minus. We have to say take one more example, minus 1 into 10. 1 tens are 10. Minus into plus minus 10. This is the answer. Next, determine the integer whose product with the minus 1 is 5. Minus 1 is 5. Here, see children, minus 1 with 5. Here minus 1 they give into, here product they give you. What is the product they give? Minus 5. Product is 5. Here minus 1 to multiply, but the product is minus 5. Here which number to have to multiply means this minus 5 is coming. Here 5. What is the number? 5. 1 5 is a 5. Minus into plus minus. This is the answer. Once again listen here this is children. Minus 1 multiplied with that is which number we don't know. Here the product is minus 5. The product is, what is the product they give? Minus 5. Which number to? Minus 1 to which number multiplied means we are getting minus 5. Here 5. 1 5 is a 5. Minus into plus minus 5. Minus into plus minus 5. This is the second sum is very important and very easy. Okay children. Now third sum. Third Roman. Find the product using suitable properties. First one, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 48 into minus 36. Minus 48 into minus 36. See here, find the products using suitable properties. What is the property here? Are you understood this property? Distributive property over addition. See here, let us see. This is A, this is A, this is B, this is A, this is C. I am writing the formula now. A into B plus A into C. Is it correct or not? A into B plus A into C. A into B plus A into C. How can we are writing this formula? A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Which property is this? Distributive property over addition. Distributive property over addition. What is the A value children? Minus 48. A value is minus 48. Now next, B value is into, what is the B value? 26 plus C value minus 36. This is sum is given like this. We have to convert it A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Minus 48 into 26 plus of minus 36. A value is minus 48. B value is 26. C value is minus 36. Minus 48 into 26 minus 36. Which is the bigger value? Minus 36. Minus 36 plus 26 is equal to minus 10. 48 tens are 480. Minus into minus plus. This is the answer. Once again listen here. 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. This is the distributive property. Here minus A is minus 48. This is B. This is A. This is C. Here sum is given like this. A into B plus A into C. write A into B plus C. Now we will find out according to this formula. A into B plus C. Minus 48 into 26 plus of minus 36. Minus 36 plus 26 is equal to how much? Minus 10. Minus 48 into minus 10. 48 tens are 480. Minus into minus plus. Second sum is the homework for you. Now third sum. Third sub question. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Which property is this, children? Associative property. A into B, A comma B comma C are integers. A into B into C is also a integer. This is also a close associative property. Here, how many terms are given? 4 terms. But we have to say that associative property, closure property. Sorry, this is the closure property. A into B into A comma B are integers. A into B is also a integer. A into B is also a integer. Here, which property is it? This is it is a closure property. It is which property? Closure property. It is which property, children? Closure property. Once again listen ma. 15 into minus 25 is equal to minus 4 into minus 10. This is the closure property. A comma B are integers. A into B is also a integer. This is the closure property. Now we have to multiply all the terms. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. We have to multiply first these two terms. 15 into minus 25 into 4 tens are how much? 40. 4 tens are 40. Minus into minus plus. Minus into minus plus. 4 tens are 40. Minus into minus plus. Now 15. 25 fours are. Here I am multiplying here 25 into 40. 0 right on the right side of the number. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. What is the answer, children? 1000. What is the answer? Otherwise you will do like this also. 0 5s are 0. 0 2s are 0. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 2 4s 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 2 10. What is the answer? 0 0 0 1. What is the answer, children? 1000. Minus into plus, minus 1000. 15 into 1000 is equal to how much? Minus 15,000. Minus 15,000. Once again listen here, children. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. This is the closure property. A comma B are integers. A into B is also a integer. This is the closure property. It is a closure property. 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. 4 tens are 40. Minus into minus plus. 15 into minus 25 into 40. Here 25 into 40 is equal to how much? 1000. 15 into 1000. 15 into 1000 is equal to minus 15,000. What is the answer, children? Minus 15,000. Now third sum also you will do that. Fourth sum you will do, that is also closure property. That 2 minus 48 into 1 or 2 you will multiply same like this only. Now fifth sum. 625 into minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65 into 65. This is the which property, children? Listen carefully. What is this here? Which terms are same? 625 is same is there. A. This also A. This is B. This is C. Which property, children? Distributive property over addition. First I am writing the formula. Distributive property over addition. Distributive property over addition. Distributive property. C is equal to A into B plus C. A into B plus C. Now we have to, here for given sum is like this, A into B plus A into C. We have to write A into B plus C. What is the A value? 625. A value how much you get? 625. And here what is the B value? Minus 35. B value is minus 35. Here write multiplication symbol also. B value how much you get? Minus 35. And C value. What is the C value here? 65. 65. Here this 625 is there. This minus sign we have to not. I am not taking this minus sign. This minus sign is transposed to this minus 65. See children. Here I have to take 625 only. But here minus sign is there. This minus sign is transposed to this minus 65. Okay, this sign is sending to this minus 65. Minus 35, minus 65. How much? 625 into minus 35 minus 65. Minus 35 minus 65 is equal to how much children? 100. 625 into minus 100. 625 into 100 is equal to how much? Minus 62,500. Minus 62,500. Once again listen here. This is the distributive property over addition. Same like this first sum. A into B is equal to A into C. A into B plus C. What is the A value? 625. Here minus sign is there. But I am not taking minus sign. Only 625 I am taking. This minus sign is transposed into this is 65. Minus 35 plus minus 65. Minus 35 plus minus 65 is equal to how much? Minus 100. 625 into minus 100 is equal to minus 62,500.